Hi, today I'm going to explain to you how we can use AI to add value to the output of your meetings. As we know, everything, all discussion, all decision making are done within meetings. And now, with the power of Copilot, you can transcribe those meeting notes into text. And those texts can be taken as input to apply some other methods that exist that has been invented by humans which adds value and allow you to improve the quality, the understanding of the meeting, reduce the ambiguity of what was discussed by the stakeholders so that everybody in the team they are on the same page. So today I'm going to show you in the context of value of food. Let us assume that there was a meeting on a new factory to make biscuits and the ERP system that you're using needs to be modified with and new features added to accommodate the processing of the new factory for the biscuit. As you can see on the screen, there's a mind map. I click on value of food, the green node, and there's a description of value of foods. That's the first thing that I've put. I've taken it from the website. This is a fictional example. Now, in the industry, if I click on that, I've added food and beverages. I can close this. And then on the problem statement, I've created a problem statement, which is fictional, which states Value of Food is launching a new biscuit manufacturing facility to support its expanding European bakery portfolio. However, the ERP lacks critical capability to handle complexity of biscuit production. And now there has been a meeting to discuss about those new features and the new things. And the meeting is here in the shape of a transcription of Copilot explaining who were the stakeholders and what happened and what was discussed. And what I did is I copied all this and I pasted it into the meeting notes, which is here. And this discussion is really about the new features that you need to add on your ERP. So if you go on Design and Solution and you click on Proof of Concept, and here I can choose which AI will help me to extract the user stories from that meeting notes automatically. And I'm going to choose Grok, and then I press Send. So what will happen here, Grok will go through the meeting notes, extract the information required and put it as user stories that your business analyst would otherwise do. So it has accelerated the process of extracting user stories by at least 30%. And these user stories can now be pushed into your Agile Lifecycle Management System, which can be Microsoft Azure Board or Jira or any others. So a JSON file can be created out of this. And these now are your user stories. For example, one is, as an R&D manager, I want version recipes with detailed change tracking so that I can maintain compliance and auditability. These are your acceptance criteria, your priority level, and they've categorized them into epics. That's user story 1 and 2, epic 2, batch production, planning and dynamic scheduling, and the user stories. And now you can push that into your backlog. It will create the backlog and you can start grooming the backlog. So instead of taking 2 to 3 days for the business analyst to go and create and format the user stories, in a matter of minutes, your user stories are created, put into your backlog inside your ALM, Agile Lifecycle Management System. And then there, your business analyst can tweak things to make it better. And you've reduced your time to market by at least 3 times. That's how you can use AI to actually add value, accelerate your development time by reducing defects because you're removing human from the supply chain, and accelerating your time to market. Thank you so much.